My name's Louise. I live in Flint, North Wales, with my partner and my daughter. I live in a tiny 2-bedroom house that I love. I've lived there for about 4 years and I feel really lucky because I live in a community that's got great neighbours, and Flint Castle's also nearby, which is nice to go walking when the weather's nice with the dog. When I'm not at work, I love to spend time with my 10-year-old daughter, Catherine, and my family and friends. Catherine really is the centre of my world though. We're a really sporty family, so any excuse for fun, exciting things, quad biking or climbing, sailing, anything like that we love to do. I think voting and having a say is just so important, whoever you are. So whatever you're passionate about, whether it is housing, whether it's health matters, education or sport, that people can be empowered and get the chance to have their say to influence decisions that are going to affect their lives. So I think voting is really important. The decisions that we make in terms of our voting is going to have massive implications on the here and now. But also when I vote, I am thinking about my daughter and the future for her, and that I want Wales to be a place that she's going to want to stay in. So obviously the decisions that we're making now is going to have a massive impact in terms of the future as well. So voting's important for here, now and the future.